Hey everyone, I thought I'd make a quick video about a recent cover that I posted and a little bit of a behind the scenes look at how I made it. So this is for Riverdale #1, the upcoming new series that's coming out. This is kind of how it starts for me. I do these little sort of thumbnail sketches on paper, and I don't spend really that much time on any of them. I move pretty fast at this point, and really what I'm concerned about here is composition and making sure that I'm able to sort of show all the characters in a clear and concise way and create some sort of interesting composition that's fitting for a cover. From here, what I'll do is I will scan them into the computer and I'll clean them up and make them into slightly tighter sketches that essentially other people can understand. So I'll be sending these to the editors at Archie, and once they look at them and pick their favorite one, then I'm good to go on creating the final art for that image. What I'll do is I'll create a new layer on top of that sketch, and I'll sort of start to refine that sketch and really focus on the details of the face, proportions, trying to even tighten up the composition. Once I feel like the drawing is solid enough, I'll move on to a new layer, and that's where I'll do my inking. And for inking, I'm really focusing on the balance of black and white on the page, and defining a lot more of the texture and the lighting and the specific details like hair and clothing and different things like that. That's really the final line work stage, and then from there I'll go on to coloring. And I don't consider myself the best colorist. It's kind of like a trial and error sort of process for me, but and at times it can be the longest process for me, but eventually I always settle on something that I'm happy with, and this cover was no exception. So once I do that, then I send it over, and eventually a logo gets popped on it, and it's off to the printer, and then hopefully one day we could all see it on the shelves. So it's a pretty quick process. So that was a really quick look at the process. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully the sirens out the window didn't get in the way of what I was saying, but yeah, let me know if you enjoy this kind of thing and if you'd like to see more behind the scenes short videos like this. And if you have any questions, let me know. And thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.